Today we'll show you how to set up zone pricing and automatically calculate fares with Limo Express. After logging in, go to the zone pricing section. Start by adding the zones you'd like to set prices for. Click Add to create a new zone. A map window will open. Enter a zone name and code for easy reference. Let's use New York as an example. At the top of the map, you'll see tools to draw shapes. Select a tool and outline the area you want to cover for this zone. When you're done, click Save to create the zone. Now, let's add another zone, for example, Boston. Draw the shape on the map for Boston, then click Save again. With these zones created, the next step is to set prices between them for each vehicle class and currency. Go to Pricing Zone Relations and click Add to create a new relation. Select the New York and Boston zones we just made. Now add prices for each currency your company uses and for each vehicle class in your fleet. Once saved, these zone-based prices will apply to new reservations, customer portal bookings, and bookings on the public booking form. Let's go through a sample reservation to see how it works. Start by choosing New York and Boston as the pickup and drop-off locations. Then select a vehicle class. A vehicle class is necessary to calculate the fare. Scroll to the price section and click the small icon on the right to trigger automatic pricing. The system will then calculate the price for the selected route. You'll also be able to view the price in different currencies and adjust it manually if needed. With zone pricing set up, the system will automatically pull these prices, making reservation creation faster and more accurate.